thunderstorms may produce
It's
damaging
snowing!
wind.
Fuck!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge
Took 'em
to
long
Indian
enough.
Head, Maryland until 2 p.m. At 12:56 p.m.
Does it say worst not possible? No, it does not. It just says wind 50 knots.
Hazard. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail.
Seems legit.
Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds and hail. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, and Alexandria. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for District of Columbia, Southern and Central Maryland, Northern Virginia, and the adjacent coastal waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm.